How to cash out in FireKirin phishing online. It's a very simple process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, tap on the search bar and search for FireKirin. In the search results, you'll see the FireKirin website with this link. So navigate to this website. Now select this Play Now option. It'll open up this web interface of FireKirin. Now simply log into your account first. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now after playing this game, if you want to cash out your winning prizes, then there are multiple ways to cash out your earnings. First is you might want to connect with an authorized distributor. So you'll have to look out for official FireKirin distributor. Make sure they are verified distributor. Otherwise, there are high chances of getting scammed in these online platforms. So you need to be aware of that. Once you reach out to the official FireKirin distributor, you can provide your necessary payment details. You can send them your preferred payment information, such as your Cash App or your PayPal account details, and make sure you provide your accurate information of your accounts. And after submitting your payment details, the distributor will process your withdrawal request. It might take some time depending on your account and the region you are from. So with these methods, you can easily cash out your earnings in FireKirin app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.